Most football players fly first class, but Cristiano Ronaldo flies on something even more insane. The global superstar owns a Gulfstream private jet worth around $60 million. The aircraft is designed for ultimate luxury and comfort, especially for long international trips. Inside the jet, you'll find luxury leather seats, sleeping areas, private spaces, and high-end technology so Ronaldo and his family can travel in complete comfort. So whether he's flying between matches, vacations, or business meeting, Ronaldo travels the world in pure superstar style. If you guys want to know more about his life in Saudi Arabia, make sure to watch this video on my channel, and don't forget to subscribe.